100,000 people subscribe to me. I am so thankful for your support. I'm so shocked, never stop. I don't know the future, but it really matters to me. Shh. That you're with me. Hello, apa kabar? I'm Yazik, I'm a singer and a vocal coach based in Warsaw, Poland, and today I will be reacting to Azlan again, and he's been quite often on my channel lately, and I'm glad because I don't get too many requests for male singers, and since I've done the reaction to the guys that were singing, the four guys killing the medley of Your Star, I got some Azlan recommendations and some requests, and I recently reacted to his duet in a rock song. It's his genre, and now I'm on to Jangan Khianati Aku official music video, and I was pretty sure when I checked tiny a bit that it was live, but I've just now noticed that it's music video, so doesn't matter, he can sing. Let me just enjoy his huge voice. I mean, like, he's got it all. And let me know if this is his song or not, but it was suggested by you guys, so I'm really happy to check that out with you, for you. So let's get to it. This is the space for Azlan to appear, and it's with The Typewriter. So I don't know if that's a band or a music studio. Let me know. So let's watch it in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, he's got this thing that he bends his knees when he gets emotional. Na 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 na, you know? If it helps him delivering the message and it's his style, that's fine, absolutely. You know, this is the way for rock singers to be delicate. They don't do stuff like na, 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 na. You know, he's delicate, he's quite quiet, yet there's a lot of conviction and a lot of kind of aggressiveness that you know that he's going to blow in a minute. But this is something that hits people because this is how we would like to express ourselves when we're angry or we're sad or whatever, but we don't have that voice, so we have to kind of imagine that we are roaring, or we have the artist like Azlan to kind of speak for us. Whoa. Yeah, so now I'm sure that it's not live because he was holding the note and then he started singing while he was still holding the note. This is impossible to do live, but he's just hit A#4 on an E vowel, held it, did a crescendo, which is from softer to louder, and then added vibrato at the end of that note. This is serious. Like, I don't think I could have done that in that register. I mean, like, very chesty mix sound with so much rasp in it. Wow. Okay, I don't recommend doing so many moves like this and kind of squeezing the notes as he does in this song, unless you are him. So when you want to build your technique, you can get inspired by Azlan, but you know, there are ways to create those sounds without those moves and without so much veins and everything in between. I mean, the bending and whatnot, but it works for him. And remember that something that works for others does not mean that it's gonna work for you. He has built his technique over years and he knows how to control it. He's not very young and he's been doing that for years, so he is fine. But if you want to learn how to build your technique, I wouldn't recommend starting off, you know, by imitating such, you know, let's say brave singers in a way. I mean, like, he's very original in his sound, and some women want to sound like Christina Aguilera and they just want to do whatever she does, and it's something that's just natural for Christina. And if you have to learn it, you need a technique. If you don't have it straight away, then you just waste your time trying to achieve someone's sounds. Be yourself. He is himself. Yeah, a lot of vibrato in his ooh vowel, and I have to say, if I had done the chorus the way he did, even though I'm a vocal coach, I would have lost my voice for like a week or two, or maybe forever.
Adalah dirimu, jika benar itu jangan khianati, berjanji padaku, percaya selalu, biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau khianati, berjanji.
This is so powerful. You need to tell me what's the lyrics about. I mean, like, whoa, this is so intense, and it's something that, you know, did he ever perform this song live? Let me know. Wow. Oh, so he's taken his jacket off. Those A sharp 4s don't sound very tough for him. Oh, congratulations, guys. Such a great piece of music. I mean, it's not something I would listen to on a daily basis. I like rock quality, but I'm very picky when it comes to rock music. I'm more into R&B, soulful sounds, pop as well. I love rock. But a rock song would be like every 10th or 15th song on my playlist. It's an expression that kind of helps you to let go of your anger, because you're like, some people would say that you maybe get even more angry when you listen to something like that. Some people just like, okay, just help me relax. And one of my best friends loves singing like that, that she loves those raspy sounds, you know. She's a fan of Linkin Park and other bands that have those strong male vocalists with a lot of conviction. And, you know, this type of music is so true Like, you can't go cheesy when it comes singing those type of songs. You have to have a message. You have to have a great musicians to play with you, to support what you're doing. It's not like the pop singers that come out with songs with so simple melody and being kind of like, oh, we're gonna forget about this song very soon. Once you have this rough talent and this grit in your voice, you have to do some really important songs for people to kind of cope with life, let's say. So I hope Azlan is this person for you. I do appreciate his voice, and he really surprises me with his abilities in his high register. And like I said before, if I had done that, I wouldn't be able to speak now. So don't try this at home, okay? Stay safe, guys. Thank you very much for this suggestion. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and check my other reactions. Until the next time, bye-bye.
How can we fix things when falling apart? Either you